President. Our treaties proclaim that this union is founded on the respect for human rights. But what do these grand statements mean at the end of the day if citizens cannot uphold their rights as European citizens before the states that breach them? They are, as we say in Catalan, the language that is still forbidden in this Parliament, paper mullat. That is, they mean nothing. Colleagues, these proposals lack ambition and clear idea of what is at stake, because any reform of the treaties must first and foremost include a direct mechanism to enforce the rights of the citizens equally. In Hungary, yes, but also in Spain. This mechanism has to be shielded from political opportunity and the interest of certain states of protecting their allies. Any reform that does not address this is a step towards more empty wars and more authoritarian backsliding. Thank you very much.